Making reservations for the consumer on aReservation is very simple and easy. If I wanted to rent this sea ray, all I'm going to do is click book now. Orange box is going to pop up with any restrictions that you need to remind the customer about before they actually continue their booking process. Simply select the day you want to make a reservation, what it is you want to make a reservation for, 1 day, 2 days, 7 day, 1 day with a golf cart, for example. It will then supply the times available for the date that you've selected. It's going to ask you to fill in your contact details. If there's any questions, we can add them in here. For example, driver's license and state. All of this information will then flow through into the booking system. You'll be able to have that on hand already. If you wanted to add on any merchandise, so you could add a cooler on or sunscreen, people are free to add this in during the booking process as well. If you want to do boat tours, as well as boat rentals, we can certainly add that in as well. I'm just going to pop back and we're going to do a sunset tour. Again, we're going to have different restrictions because it's a tour versus a rental. We're going to select what day we want to do the tour, how many of the different types of tickets we need. It will go away and tell us what time the sunset tour will be departing on. Everything's in our shopping cart. If you do have any coupons, they can have a coupon they can add in here to get themselves a discount. If there's a gift card, they can apply their gift card here. Or simply continue through to checkout. Here we're going to ask where they heard about you so that you can actually track where your marketing is working for you. And then we're going to add in our credit card, expiry date, security code, entering the address that's associated with the credit card, zip code associated with the credit card, and simply process payment. The last thing they're going to do is they're going to select here to select that they understand the terms and agreements that they have with the different activities they've purchased. This is displayed to them, which is their receipt. This will also be emailed to them as well. I have the ability here to click and complete their waivers before they arrive with you. And they have all the different information that's pertinent to the actual reservations they've made.